Students, welcome to the 6th standard social science. So, in the previous class we have discussed the topic introduction to history. You know students, what is history? Yes, history is the systematic study of the past. And why we need history? Already we have discussed in the previous class. Now, India as introduced by Europeans. In this chapter, in this topic we have discussed in this class. Okay, India has introduced by Europeans. India has introduced by Europeans. How do Europeans introduce in our Indian history? So, Indians had a knowledge of history in the ancient time by the Puranas and Mythas. Yes, Indians had a knowledge of our history in the ancient time of Puranas and Mythas. But this is different from the European constructing model of history. Yes, how do Europeans the new method introducing for the constructing of Indian history. So that's why Europeans they understand the Indian cultural history and Indian traditions, values, laws, and as well as rules and regulations and so many aspects learn about Europeans. They understand how to Indian history improve and how to Indian culture, tradition, values, beliefs, laws, rules and regulations. These are all different from our culture. So that's why the first one, Heinrich Roth, he was settled in Agra. Heinrich Roth is one of the British officer. He is settled in Agra. He was translated in Sanskrit grammar into Latin language. Heinrich, he was a British officer and he written one of the Sanskrit grammar. Heinrich Roth, he was one of the British officer and he written Sanskrit grammar he was translated Sanskrit grammar into Latin language about 350 years ago. Heinrich Roth was one of the British officer. He was translated Sanskrit grammar into Latin language about 350 years ago. And a century later, Father Codox, a century later, Father Codox, he was the similarities. What are the differentiate between the Sanskrit language and other European languages? He was studied. Father Codox was how to the similarities between European languages and as well as Sanskrit. So this is identified as Father Codox. So many British officers. So now Indian culture, traditions, values, beliefs, and as well as so many aspects. So different is our culture. So that's why British officers got revenue rights in Bengal. Some administration were attracted towards our Indian culture and tradition. Yes, some administrations like Lord Wellesley, Lord Dalhousie, Cornwallis, Machiavelli, these are all administration, European and British administrations. What are British administrators? So these are all peoples, our Indian culture and traditions. These are all very, very needed in our system. So that's why Europeans understand the systematic study of Indian history. That's why, so ours most important books like the Bhagavad Gita, Manusmriti, and as well as other great literary works translated Sanskrit into English language. So that's why Europeans translated in English language. Which are the books means Manusmriti, Bhagavad Gita, and as well as other great literary works. Other great literary work. These are all Sanskrit books, but these are the books translated into English language by the contributor of Europeans in the English language. So, students, you know Sir William Jones? Don't know. Yes. Sir William Jones, he was contributed immensely the study of Indology. Sir William Jones, he is one of the famous Indologists. Sir William Jones. Yes. Sir William Jones, he was a contributor immensely to the study of the field Indology. Which one? Indology. See. Yes. What is Indology? The study of India. What is Indology? The study of India. Yes. Indology means the study of India, and Sir William Jones contributed immensely the study of Indology. Indology means the study of India. Yes. He is a Sir William Jones as a judge of Supreme Court. As a judge of Supreme Court in Bengal. As a judge of Supreme Court in Bengal. Supreme Court in Bengal. And he established the Asiatic Society. He established Asiatic Society in 1784. In 1784 CE. Yes, Sir William Jones has come as a judge of a Supreme Court in Bengal, and he established the Asiatic Society in 1784. And he was one of the multi-lingual experts also. So William Jones, he is one of the multi-lingual expert. So that's why he was translated so many Sanskrit words into English language. So the first one is Gita Govinda, the great literary Sanskrit works like Gita Govinda, Manava Dharma Shastra, Manava Dharma Shastra, and as well as Kalidasa's Shakuntala. Kalidasa's Shakuntala. Yes. See, these are all the great Sanskrit literary works translated into English language by Sir William Jones. So, Gita Govinda, Manava Dharma Shastra, Kalidasa, Shakuntala, these literary works translated into Sanskrit language into English language. This one is translated by Sir William Jones. So, that's why, and another one of the important Orientalist and Indologist was Max Muller. You see, students, see, he is the famous Indologist, historian, as well as Orientalist, Sir William Jones. And he was the Max Muller. He was also one of the famous Orientalists and as well as Indologist, and he is a German scholar, Max Muller. Okay, see, Max Muller, he is one of the famous Orientalist and Indologist, and he was a German scholar also. You know, students, Orientalist? No, see, Orientalist means who are the person for the study of culture, history and spirituality of the Eastern countries. Orientalist means Orientalist means was a person to study of the history, culture and spirituality of the Eastern countries. Spirituality of the Eastern countries. Eastern countries. E means Eastern. Okay. See, Eastern countries. See, Max Muller. He was one of the famous Orientalist and as well as Indologist. Indology means the study of India. So, and he was a German scholar. He also one of the book written, the Sacred Book of the East. Max Muller was written for the book, the Sacred Book of the East. The Sacred Book of the East. It is 50 volumes. It is 50 volumes. And another one of the important historian was James Smith. Yes. He is from Scotland. He is also one of the historian. James Smith. He is a historian from Scotland and he was written for one of the book. That book is called The History of India. The History of India. The History of India. It is only 6 volumes. It is only 6 volumes. So students, the famous Orientalists and Indologists, William Jones, Max Muller, James Smith, and what are the books written and how to English languages, to translate it to English languages for so many Sanskrit great literary works. And see, James Smith is one of the historian from Scotland and he also written for one of the book, The History of India. It is only in 6 volumes, but he is not visited for our India. Okay, see, only for visited things and William Jones and Max Muller. These are the two peoples are famous Indologists and as well as Orientalists. See, Indology means the study of India and Sir William Jones came from the judge of a Supreme Court in Bengal and he established one of the Institute Asiatic Society in 1784 and he translated Sanskrit literary works like Gita Govinda, Madhava Dharma Shastra, Kalidasa Shakuntala. These are all great literary works translated into English language. And another one of the important Orientalist and as well as Indologist was Max Muller. He is from German scholar and he is also written for one of the book, the Sacred Book of the East. It is from 50 volumes. And another one of the important historian from Scotland is called James Smith. James Smith also one of the book written, The History of India. It is also 6 volumes, but James will not visited for India. So next class we have discussed the topic. Abbe Dubais is one of the famous French missionary. So thank you.